Hey there, YouTubers! Hello and welcome to Cooking with Dr. Sheep, Episode 1. If this goes well, maybe I'll make a second channel where I'll put vlogs and more Cooking with Dr. Sheep. Today, I just blew up 3 pumpkins, and so now I have some pumpkin seeds. We're gonna cook them, we're gonna clean them, cook them, and eat them. So let's get started. Okay, so when it comes to cleaning these things, I really don't know how I want to do this. I wonder if I can't set this drain in this. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Okay, well, there's only one way I'm gonna be able to do this. Basically, you pour them in like so. Throw the bag away. Now we have pumpkin seed soup, as you can see. So basically, we gotta get all that orange crap off. And so now, look, we have pumpkin seeds to harvest. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and do this and check back in with you to begin the drying process. Welcome back to Cooking with Dr. Sheep. I have washed them and ridded them of their orange guts. Now they're going to dry. Now, preferably, you want to put them on wax paper, and preferably, you don't want them sitting in as much water as you'll have them sit in here, and preferably, you want them as one layer. Preferably. In my case, I don't have enough room to do such luxuries. But, one luxury I do have is you can run your hand through them. Which feels interesting, and my roommate's giving me the death stare. So, whenever this finally dries, I will come back to you, and we'll begin the most important part of Cooking with Dr. Sheep. Cooking. Welcome back. It's the next day, the seeds have dried. I have proceeded to separate them into 2 trays. So A, they would dry faster, and B, the cooking process will be better. Anyways, so the first step is you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, alright? This is what the internet has told me anyways. Anyways, you're going to want to get your favorite oil. I didn't want to pay for olive oil, so I went ahead and got some Crisco. You know, because there was no Walmart brand, and screw Walmart. Come on. Anyways, the recipe online gives me all kinds of exact measurements, but that's also like 1 cup of pumpkin seeds at a time, and that's beyond my capabilities. Especially when you have 3 pumpkins worth of seed to stir up. Okay, so now after you've poured what you think is an adequate amount of oil, don't pour it too much, otherwise you'll have burning oil in the oven, and that's never a good thing. You want to stir it up. It's probably way too much oil, but whatever. Okay, you just gotta mix. Okay, now, recipes called for, well, Cajun spice. I couldn't find any Cajun spice that wasn't organic, and I don't believe in organic, so we went ahead with cayenne pepper. I hope we don't kill people with this. Okay, so we're gonna lightly sprinkle. This might be. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my seasoning salt now. Now this is not normal salt, it's seasoning salt. Okay, whatever, it's, you know. This hopefully might balance out the cayenne pepper. And our oven is preheated, so all we gotta do now is finish stirring these seeds up, and we can begin the best part, the actual cooking part. Woohoo! Now, we'll put them in the oven for 15-20 minutes till golden brown, and we'll see what happens next. Well, the seeds are done. They had to go a little longer than the 15 minutes. They were about 25 minutes. But they are now a beautiful golden brown. Can I help you, Rooster?
Oh, Dr. Sheep, I was just wanting one of your seeds.
Don't, you go ahead and make it sound like that. Anyways, the seeds are done. I don't know, they're not terrible. You can try them for yourself and leave a comment below on how they turned out for you. In the meantime, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and share. New videos every other Friday, 2 p.m. Central Time, and good night. Subs for trees, subs for trees, subs for trees, subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_Sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.